Luckily I'm esophagus.
It's African love, baby.
Salon people, I don't come back. This is Nasara Crate. And I want to tell you, I say, tomorrow na Salon Independence. I want to wish everybody happy independence na Salon. Happy independence to you, our Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, the Mohamed Kalon, the world best of Sierra Leone, and the unbeatable of all time winner, ex-president Anes Koroma. Happy independence to you. Happy independence to all my fans them na Salon. Happy independence to my greatest manager, DJ Yosef. Happy independence to his brother, DJ Box. Happy independence to all man we mean good for that country day. Happy independence. So the one that we want to see Salon industry go before. Happy independence to His Excellency the President of the industry, na Salon, of the musical industry, that now the President of Sierra Leone All Stars, Milton Coca, Collabo. I salute you, my preso. Happy independence to you. Happy independence to Mr. Yansane, the Secretary General of APC. Happy independence to Kalfala Mara. Happy independence to you, Minkailu. Happy independence to all better people them na Salon. The members of parliament, they were the fight for bring peace in Salon and where they team up for the citizens in Salon. Happy independence to now. Happy independence to the prisoners that were in a Paremba Road prison. Happy independence to the one them backward in a prison where na advantage can them go. Where them put them there because of na them get power. Innocent and prisoners, they happy independence to now. Happy independence to the good police them. Happy independence to the good soldier man them. Non-independent to you, President. What did they? And they talk out to Walmart. No pendency. No pendency to your wife. No pendency to your equipment self, to your minister themselves. No pendency. Nothing. Una not deserve no independence. Una look what happened. Magi una one ball, one leakage. President Julius Maada Bio invites George Oponwia for camp tomorrow with other dignitaries that will come out of Salon for camp. He writes them officially as president of Sierra Leone. He writes them, said, dear, he wanted them come witness we 60th anniversary. Don't know what he do. Not today he pick phone, he call, not to call himself, he make them call the best man at Salon, where don't push Salon go before when Anes Koroma. Anes, you go will come on the independence to me. What a disrespectful. If Anes Koroma be go yonder, me wanna brand to Patakos for because me wanna one the course for be deal with him. A man no I struck my mouth for be tell a word when chef if I be say said I wanna one the course in course so. At least 1 month ahead, if I don't call him. Sebo, you know me, ex-president. Salon the 60 want for like be part of that 60th anniversary day. But not today, the 26th of April. Now I go call the pa. Say, oh, you go meet up for car. A better way the pa tell and say, him na man with principles. And a respectable man, not for Salon all over the world. He say, I'm sorry you for be don't write to me and inform me earlier. I get seen them who for push Salon go before na me aid for the 27. God bless you, Anes Koroma, for that decision day. You the one the way you invite, where you make a mokofe to let them come no more. And I want to tell Salon people and say, therefore talk them. Say invite Anes no come. This, that. Now lie oh. Not lie, not Gigi no I call him for tomorrow. It's so disrespectful. So Anes Koroma go look bad. Not lie. Me don't tell Salon people now. And now real source, I don't tell you na so. 60. You can make a challenge say not today, Salon 90. You go see her. Great African love say so.
It's African love, baby.
It's African love entertainment.